David Sandoval, and I'm here to talk to you about what may be the greatest crisis facing America today. This crisis has actually been triggered by the overuse of an agricultural chemical called glyphosate. Glyphosate toxicity has reached epidemic proportions, and it is so pervasive that it can be found in the umbilical cords of newborn babies, as well as the livers of middle-aged golfers. I am so proud that after years and years of fighting to get this chemical removed from our environment and years of fighting to get it eliminated from our lives, that we have finally come up with a proven glyphosate solution capable of eliminating this toxic chemical from your body in a very short time. This clinically proven solution has now been granted the gold standard as a product capable of eliminating glyphosate from the body. It is the first and only product to be awarded this incredible honor. And so we were very excited to be aligning with the Detox Project to educate the world that even though we have been unsuccessful in banning glyphosate, even though we've been unsuccessful in avoiding glyphosate in our environment, we at least finally have a solution to detoxify glyphosate from our bodies and to save ourselves from the inevitable glyphosate toxicity that may ultimately damage our health.